No, we're doing the cleanup. Tony's fucking lazy.
Like the whole yard's gonna be littered with that stuff.
So those two, you put all the mortars in separately?
Yep. Yeah, every single one went this time.
What you need to do is build one big box, like 50 of them in there.
Now you're talking.
Like a shed that you just retract the roof.
You would just need to have like 5 or 6 guys here from some 6 o'clock in the morning wiring everything up.
Or do it ahead of time like we did that one year.
Yeah, then we're gonna have to charge admission. Where's the sticks at?
Who knows?
I bet you they're over here. They usually.
Hey, you charge like $10 a head for people to show up.
It'll be like the Field of Dreams. People will come, Ed. They won't know why. They just know that they love fireworks since they were kids.
Are these still hot?
Nah, this should be cool.
Yeah, everything's good.